Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Gemini Effect Photo easy method. Duplicate your layer and hide the copy until you need it, then create a mirror group for the reflection, set blend modes, and prepare masks. Use a soft brush to refine edges and preserve hair detail. Keep an eye on overall exposure and contrast while working. Save incremental copies so you can revert if a step needs revising. Start by flipping the duplicated layer horizontally and position it to form a convincing twin arrangement, either mirrored or slightly offset. Use a precise layer mask and a soft brush to blend hair and clothing edges seamlessly. Adjust opacity and layer blend modes to match skin tones and shadows. Refine with dodge and burn to maintain three-dimensional depth. Take breaks to evaluate the symmetry and emotional impact of the composition. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps your workspace tidy with voice control, so you spend more time creating and less time sweeping, which is perfect when glitter or props get everywhere. It even maps rooms for efficient cleaning. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Balance color by sampling skin tones and applying selective adjustments until both subjects read as one cohesive image. Paint subtle shadows where the bodies meet to imply depth, and dodge highlights to bring facial features forward. Use a gentle vignette and a single color grade layer to tie the scene together. Finally, sharpen selectively around the eyes and hair while keeping the background smooth and non-distracting for a polished Gemini effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.